gonna make a project in Scratchcat. I'm already signed in. You have to sign in. We're gonna press create. We're gonna have to make this Scratchcat move around, drawing pictures behind. First, let's choose a little background. I'll go to patterns, this one, and then in a while it's gonna be appearing on our screen, right there. And now we're gonna start with adding something like this one. We add a section over. Then we go to event. When space key press. So we want to go to this part and erase all. Okay, after erase all, we want to set pen size. We're gonna set the pen size to 10. And then we're gonna do pen down. After that, we're gonna go to looks. And then we're gonna make Scratch say, I can draw. For 2 seconds. And then we're gonna go over to control, take a forever loop, and then we're gonna go back to the section we added and change pen color. Change pen color by 10. It's perfect. And then we go to motion, move 10 steps, and then point towards mouse pointer. And we also may want to be adding next costume. Now let's start. Of course I name it, of course. Name it Drawing Cat. There. The condition of event that when space key press, then we're gonna start. So we press the space key. Oops. In our code, we press the green flag. Press the key, and then it starts running after our mouse. Wow, it's working so well. It's fun playing with it, right? Tell us how your one works. I hope it works good as well. See you. Don't forget to like and press the bell.